Econ, what's your menu today?
This one menu, my recipe for today is chicken chili sauce.
Okay.
First, you cut the chicken strip.
You will use breast
Chicken.
Okay.
Cut into a strip. Then put 10 minutes marinate for white pepper. Then salt. And then half chicken cube for taste.
Okay.
Then you will put mix with the egg, 1 piece egg with corn flour. We'll mix here. And then you will leave it 5 minutes. Mix together.
You will
after this 5 minutes,
fry.
leave it for 5 minutes, and then you will fry this one a little bit brown.
Wow, so sarapan sila niyan. Okay, mix together.
With corn flour,
egg.
with egg.
She already cut the chicken at night because she will marinate. Minarinate mo ba yan?
Yeah, marinate for how many hours? At least
5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Ala.
Asan yung corn flour?
Yun, corn flour? Okay.
We'll add a little bit corn flour.
Like this, we use corn flour. Union Co-op corn flour. It's original from Albarsha supermarket. Next time, we will show you where ano ba yun? Saan kami nagma-market?
We go purchase.
Yeah.
Purchase, market.
In this house, we handle, ano ba yun? Tayo yung nagma-market, not yung amo.
We purchase what need in the house.
Hala, ang sarap. Sarap na yan, malinamnam.
This is only, I think, 4 pieces, medium size of breast chicken. You only cut in strip, then it's not marinated as long as you want. How long is it for taste?
Magawa din ako ng ala PF Chang next time. Coming soon.
My ingredient is
okay, here's the ingredient.
Chili sauce.
Mamacita.
Then only
okay.
garlic.
We have garlic.
Onion. Then
string onion.
Only like that, the ingredients. Corn flour.
For design.
For garnish, only this is no.
What is that, Econ?
For white rice.
For the rice. For design. Later, we will show you how to make rice for, ano ba yan?
What we call the rice with the cubes of carrots.
Yun ay, pa-fry mo na.
Leave it 5 minutes, then
5
you will
minutes.
fry this one.
A few moments later.
5 minutes, I need to fry this one.
Fry.
We'll check the oil if already hot.
Hot na.
It's hot already. See? Already cut in the strip.
Fry like 2 minutes, babalik ta rin. 2 minutes lang siya.
Not really brown, only little bit.
And this is my menu for today, for the lunch, for diet.
We have Diet Man.
The diet.
All organic.
This organic lamb. Okay.
Sakman.
Wait lang. Okay, ano ko yung video?
Bi, pag ano, Bi, kumuha ka ng small towel, lagay mo lang sa labas.
Okay, okay.
Wala akong small towel. Si Baba.
Yeah, I will try. Ay, hindi ko pa.
Okay!
Wait lang. Okay, then,
Now I turn, I flip only little bit. Fry.
babalik tarin mo ng 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
See?
Diba? Bang piniprito, babalik tarin mo ng 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
2 minutes, then remove. Hahanguin natin. Papalitan natin ng panibago.
2 minutes lang yan. So, ganyan lang mga kaibigan, katrabaho, ka-OFW. Simple lang. Econ recipe, simple.
Affordable.
And inconvenient. Inconvenient pa. Kasi ang mga OFW, rushing
Budget.
hour, rush. Di na sila makapagluto sa sarili. So, ito, easy lang.
Easy recipe. Affordable.
Ang madali lang lutuin. So, pasensya na kayo sa aming kitchen kasi ito, daming niluluto. So, madumi siya. Hindi pa nalinisan. Okay. Yan. Naglalagay siya na.
Lagay panibagong lagay. You give sadik word for ama. Tuwada sadik. Give cut onion. Cut.
Let her do salad, Sadik.
Wala
Let her
nga
do
daw salad.
Salad long.
Ngayon dapat
No, like
may sauce naman doon. Pwede naman ano lang diya. Lettuce tsaka
Si Amal, marunong yan.
tomato. Merong sauce doon.
Okay. Wow.
Yan, tinamad na isa-isahin. Kaya, pang maramihan. After 2 minutes, i-remove naman natin, tanggalin, hanguin, palitan ng panibago hanggang maubos itong minarinate ko.
Okay. Lutuin nyo to sa mga children, good for kids. They love it.
Yummy. Yummy and easy. Another pan, we put olive oil.
Okay. We start now to gisa-gisa.
To complete our menu.
Okay. She already finished this one to
This
fry.
is the finish for frying the chicken, marinated chicken.
Now she will start the shooting the garlic.
Garlic first.
Wow. Ala.
Garlic.
Oh my God. Okay.
Make only this one little bit golden brown. Little bit only.
The garlic. Pabot naman ito na. Yung water.
Water?
Ito. Meron?
Then we put now the onion.
Onion. Okay. The onion.
This one, the string onion later for garnish if finished already.
Garnish.
Now we mix together with the garlic, the onion. As you can see.
Guys, nasunog yung beef ko.
Nasunog yung beef niya kasi kakatingin dito sa isang menu. Next, we wait until little bit brown the two. We use olive oil for healthy, good one. Avoid cancer.
Diba?
Now see. Brown natin.
Ano next? What next one? Next. Oh la la
Oh
la
la la. We take.
Okay.
Yeah, mix.
Kailangan low fire lang para
For
not burning your garlic and garlic and onion. Okay?
okay, hurry up.
Okay kayo.
As you can see, I will use only half.
Yes.
Half cubes for taste only. No need full. Oh,
It's danger.
yeah. Mix together until can melt the chicken cubes.
We don't put a lot of cubes or whatever, something.
Seasoning. We only use for taste little bit.
So what next?
Then we put the
Mamacita.
chili sauce.
It's good for me na. Oh, not only for me. For everybody. Mamacita. It's good for everybody. Na.
Only is small fire, huh? For not burn the
The fire. Ma-burn yung ano ko. BP. This is my BP beef. No, not beef. Lamb cubes. This is the dinner of Hamedes diet. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it until when it comes up. So add little bit water, so not
Little
sticky.
only. See?
Wow, so fantastic. Fantastico. You have a friend suggestion. Kala ko YouTube.
We can use little bit black pepper.
Okay. Add
Little only.
pepper, black pepper.
Black pepper. Only like that. Then you can put now. I will use for this one. This one sesame seed.
Sesame seeds.
This is good.
Okay.
See?
Sprinkle it.
Not a lot.
Not a lot because we are adalat. We have adalat. You know what means adalat? We are a muscle man. We have a muscle. Like Johnny Bravo. Johnny Bravo.
Mix together.
Fantastico.
No need put corn flour or anything because already I put in the marinated chicken. We will wait until little bit come hot. Mix the sauce, all mix together for the taste. As you can see now, see, it's like coming sticky. We'll wait until come more hot, then this time we will put the chicken. Just we wait for 2 minutes. Now if We add pinch of salt.
Lagyan mo pa ng ano, salt.
Little bit sauce for taste also. Only little. Only like this.
Yeah.
Little. Because already also have little bit in the chicken when we marinated. So this one for the sauce, we'll use also use little sauce, a little salt for taste. Then we'll wait after 2 minutes, we will put the chicken.
Ayun. Fantastico.
Now we can put the chicken now. You see the chicken? I will put now. Yes.
Ganito.
I put the tissue.
How many grams on in chicken? It
The
depends.
chicken depends.
How many breasts?
This is like 4 pieces only. 4 pieces of medium-sized breast. It can eat 6 to 7 people, I think, if they are dieting. Only little.
Wow.
As you can see now, see, it's mixing now with the sauce. Only for 5 minutes, then we'll remove it already.
Yeah.
That's my simple menu for today.
Econ. Simple. Okay kayo.
Cute. Ano?
Add the sauce. Okay. After 5 minutes, 10
5
minutes.
minutes.
Leave it like this. Then transfer in a pan.
Then later, you will see I will put up the garnish, the string beans. This is only for 5 minutes. We'll remove.
Not string beans. String onion.
String onion. Sorry.
Okay.
This is our chicken chili sauce menu. Bye guys. See.
Okay, ito na yung
Finished product. Finished recipe.
ganyan lang ka-simple mga friend. Easy
Affordable.
and convenient.
Wala na. Ano lang, affordable recipe.
Simple lang siya. So, asan yung ano mo?
Now we will put the garnish.
For garnishing.
See?
Aywa. This is, you can match with the white rice. Of course, white rice talaga, no?
White rice.
Yummy.
That's it.
Simple.
That's it. My recipe.
For today.
Dahil wala idikit niya. Wag na, masisira.
Here's the white rice. Wow.